Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will do revision of the poem Flowers on the Road. Okay, so let's understand the poem. Let's revise the poem first. Spring has come, said the bougainvillea. What was bougainvillea? Cluster of flowers. बहुत सारे flowers जब एक साथ होते हैं, that is called bougainvillea. What bougainvillea is saying that spring has come, spring season has come. Crimson, orange, cream and yellow. These are the colors of the flowers. Crimson means dark red color, orange, cream and yellow, making a flower wall along the road. All the colorful flowers making a road along the wall. ये wall के साथ साथ what they are doing? They are making a flower road. मतलब all the flowers are spreaded on the road. I bring happiness to all. And what bougainvillea is saying that I bring happiness to all. Wait, said the little flower. There is one little flower on the edge of the curb. यहाँ पे फुटपाथ के कर्ब पे आई थिंक योर पिक्चर गेट्स कट बट यू कैन सी इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक दैट यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा फ्लावर था. what he is telling that wait said the little flower on the edge of the curb. Edge of the curb means ये जो फुटपाथ का जो कॉर्नर है that is edge of the curb. So what it's saying that wait, why it is saying wait, I too blossom though I am a small. फ्लावर क्या बोल रहा है कि मैं भी ब्लॉसम करता हूँ, मैं भी सबको फ्रेगरेंस स्प्रेड करता हूँ, मैं भी खिलता हूँ भले मैं छोटा सा हूँ. एवरी नाउ एंड देन अ लिटिल चाइल्ड वॉक पास्ट सीज मी. जब भी यहाँ से कोई छोटा बच्चा गुजरता है, वेन एवर एनी स्मॉल चाइल्ड पासिस फ्रॉम हियर दे सी मी एट हर हाइट एंड हैप्पीली स्माइल्स. अपनी छोटी सी हाइट वाले छोटे छोटे बच्चे मुझे देखते हैं और वो मुझे स्माइल भी करते हैं. Doesn't that make us comrades on the road? आपको नहीं लगता कि वो दोनों हमें फ्रेंड जैसे ही बना रहे हैं? ये क्वालिटी है वो, बिकॉज यू ऑल्सो स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस एंड फ्रेगरेंस. आई टू स्प्रेड हैप्पीनेस एंड फ्रेगरेंस. वी बोथ हैव ब्लॉसम टुगेदर एंड चिल्ड्रन इवन become happy when they see you and even they are happy when they see me. So that makes us like a friend. Okay. So what is the meaning of the like what we can say, what we understood from this poem? चीज़ें छोटी हो या बड़ी हो, okay, they are good if they spread happiness to any other people. Okay, so it was all about the poem. Now let's read question and answer. Let's understand the question and answer from the poem. And here the summary is given. The flower on the road is a poem that is describing a happy flower that is blossoming in the springtime. Watched a little child passing by, the smiling at the flowers, giving them a feeling of a friend. जो भी यहाँ से पास हो रहा है, little child, they become happy and it feels like friends. Now let's see the question answer. Describe about the bougainvillea. What is bougainvillea? We have to describe. We have to write down some lines about it. Cluster of bright color flower is called bougainvillea. It brings joy to people who pass by. वहाँ से जो लोग पास होते हैं, those who are passing from there, they are spreading happiness to them. Question number 2 is, what did little flower say? Little flower ने क्या बोला था? कुछ बोला था? Did it say anything? The little flower asked or said the bougainvillea to wait. Okay. And what other thing flower said? That I too spread happiness. How were the two flowers friend? दो flower कैसे friend हो सकते हैं? It was one of the cluster flower and one was the little flower. How it can become friend? Both the flowers grow along the road and spread cheer and happiness among the people. That's how they become friend. Question number 4 is, here you have to write down that's how they become friend. I bring happiness to all. This is one line from this stanza is given and question is asked, who said this to whom? I bring happiness to all. Bougainvillea said to the little flower कि मैं सबको happiness spread करता हूँ. How does it bring happiness? By making flower wall along with the road, it brings happiness. They are spreading the whole flower petals on the road and they are making wall like that. So they bring happiness. Now here we have to change the question. राइट द पास्ट टेंस और पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हैप्पीनेस दिया है, बट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन पास्ट फॉर्म वर्ब ऑफ गिव. ओके, हैप्पीनेस का पास्ट जनरली नहीं होता बिकॉज हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट अ वर्ब. सो वी विल राइट डाउन गिव, गेव, गिवन. तो गिव का पास्ट क्या होगा? गेव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स. एज. व्हाट इज एज? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज. ओके, ये जो कॉर्नर्स है दैट इज एज. सो व्हाट विल बी राइट डाउन? कर्ब और एज ऑफ द फुटपाथ. Comrades, that is friends. Okay, so it was all about the poem. Now let's see chapter number 3. Was it a dream? Okay, so let's remember the story in short. There were two main character. One was Rita and one was Frank. Okay, so once they went to the woods, kind of a forest. So what happened over there? Frank was sitting with fishing rod and Rita was standing near the tree. Okay, and Rita was asking Frank to come and play with her, but Frank was not going. Why? Because he wanted to do fishing. He wanted to catch some fish over there. So what happened? Rita was waiting since a long time. Then she went to the Frank and lay down near the stream. वहाँ पे जाके lay down हो गई, झुक गई वहाँ पे जाके. Then slowly what happened? She was observing that stream. पानी को observe कर रही थी and suddenly she fell drowsy. उनको नींद आने लगी. Then she fell into sleep. वो सो गई उसके बाद, right? Then what she heard over there? She heard some voice inside the water. Some fish were talking. What they were talking? They were talking about the bite which was hanging on the Frank's line, and they were trying to catch that. But when smaller fish tried to catch that bite, वो जो food hang किया है Frank ने fishing line पे, that is called bite, right? So whenever that small fish tried to catch that bite, mother fish came and warned that little fish that, my dear child, do not try to catch. It is a trap. I have seen many poor fishes to catch this food and trap, and they catch, and you will not able to come here again. आपको वो trap करके बाहर लेके जाएगा. Okay, so little fish was quite stubborn and she said that I will not be trapped. Okay, I just want to see what is that. I just want to test it. मुझे वो थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करना है, but मैं ट्रैप नहीं होंगी. So whenever that little fish tried to catch that bite, she trapped, and Frank was very happy because he had a splendid catch, right? Then what happened? Mother fish was quite worried because the little fish was caught by the Frank, and she called other fish in a worried voice. Other fish came and they pulled the little fish and that Frank's line. And what happened at that time? Frank fell down on the grass with the big thump, and the little fish escaped. And then Rita was quite happy, not because Frank fell down. Why she was happy? Because that little fish was able to escape, and she again went into the water with their mother and other family members. Okay, so it was all about that story, and at the end what was understood? It was only dream of Rita. It was only dream of Rita. Reality में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. It was only a dream. Okay, so I think आप लोगों को स्टोरी याद आ गई होगी, and we shall move towards question and answer to revise. Question number 1 is Rita, read the extract and answer the following. हमें ये एक लाइन ही read करके we have to remember the whole story, then we have to give the answer. So let's see that. Rita saw a small group of fish speaking very eagerly to one another. Where was Rita? It is given in the very first line, and all must remember this answer. Rita was lay down near the stream. Rita was lay down near the stream. ये जब बोला था Rita saw a small group of fish, कहाँ पे थी तब वो? She was lay down near the stream. Question number B is, how were the group of fish talking to? Here it is given that they were talking very eagerly to one another. The group of fish talking eagerly to each other. C. What was Rita doing at that time? Rita was laying down and listening to the fish. Find out the adverb from this line. Adverb is small and properly. Verb के बारे में जो हमें ज़्यादा बताते हैं, small. What was small? Group of fish कैसा था? Small था. Eagerly, they are talking. Talking is verb. कैसे बात कर रहे थे वो? Eagerly. So eagerly will be again adverb. Question number 2. Come and help, she called in a worried voice. Who is she here? She called in a worried voice. Who called? Mother fish. Okay, so we can write down fish, mother. Question number B is, what happened to her? क्या हुआ था उनको? She was caught by Frank's fishing rod. C. To whom she called for help? किसको बुलाया था? रीटा को बुलाया था फिश के मदर ने? No, she called another fish to help. Find out adverb from this line. We have to find out adverb which add more to the verb, that is adverb. She called बुलाया था. Called मतलब verb था, right? Which word shows any action, that is verb. Call is a verb. बट कैसे बुलाया था? वर्ब में ऐड करना है हमें. वरीड वॉइस में बुलाया था, सो वरीड विल बी एडवर्ब. Question number 3 is, answer the following. Sorry, I have written adjective here, but you have to consider adverb. You will get PDF in that it would be adverb. Answer the following questions. How did the largest fish convey other? Largest fish ने other fish को कैसे बुलाया था and what she conveyed to them? The largest fish called other fish to come and help in a worried voice. She also warned them about the trap. What were Rita and her brother doing? What they were doing? Rita was gathering flowers in the woods while her brother Frank sat by the stream with the fishing rod. Why did Rita laugh? At the end, Rita was laughing, right? Why? Rita laughed because Frank fell down on the grass with a big thump. Write the meaning of these words. Thump means to fall on the ground with the dull sound. एक ज़ोर से आवाज़ आती है, वैसे धड़ाम करके जो गिरते हैं, that is thump. Splendid. Frank had a splendid catch. Splendid means excellent. Swiftly. Moving very quickly. Fish were swiftly swim here and there. So it is moving very quickly. Okay, so it was all about our revision of poem and chapter today. One more time tomorrow we will do revision of the grammar topic, as today is done for the poem and the chapter.